Hi everyone, this is husband and wife Lopez from the Lopez Garden, and we hope that all of you guys had a happy Thanksgiving. Today we're gonna bring to you a video about nematodes.
But the good kind.
Yeah. We had made this video before, trying a new camera, but something was going on in software, bleh. The point is, here it is again.
So what this is, these are beneficial nematodes. We found that we had some white grubs that were growing in our beds, and they're probably around once in I think every 3 or 4 years. We usually do get them. They used to be in the soil all the time. Only problems with the white grubs is they tend to eat a lot of the roots of your plants, so they can weaken them. They may not kill them, but they can weaken them, and so that they won't grow as well. So also sometimes we did have some problems with root knot nematodes. Those are the bad nematodes, and now they probably are not around anymore, but just in case, we went ahead and we bought some beneficial nematodes. You can put them in your soil every 3 to 4 years, or every 2 years is probably better. These are the ones that we bought for they're for root knot and for fungus. They also kill white grubs too. That's one of the ones. We also did put another beneficial nematodes. They may have worked because I couldn't find any white grubs like I did last time. They may have gotten to the white grubs. I'm not sure, but those type of nematodes are more of they don't really seek out prey. They actually wait, and then they trap the prey. Whereas this particular strand or type of species, beneficial nematode, actually seeks out prey and moves along the soil. This is usually the one that we use more. They use more often. As long as it's wet, they pretty much will go anywhere, all over your yard and wherever they need to go to find their prey, which are usually ground-dwelling insects that are in the ground. This is also, if you have a big problem with cucumber beetles, this will help. It takes about 1 or 2 years, but it sure will wipe out that cycle, because basically any type of pest that is growing in the soil has a life cycle in their soil.
Now you might wonder, what's this? So what's that?
So this is the way it comes. It comes in a plastic bag with a sponge that has this is the clay that has the nematodes living in it. And we buy it from, name of the company is Garden Zoning. They're based here in California, so those who are in California, and have a very good price, usually lower than everybody else.
So we'll put the link in the description for you guys that are interested in this, and if not, well, you can just put it in your bookmarks in your browser for whenever you require this product, or just see their other products and you might be interested in.
And this is about 5 million nematodes. Each sponge usually carries about 5 million, which is good for about 300 to 500 square feet, which is perfect for what we have.
Do you put it like in cold water, or what's that?
I put it in warm water and then just squeeze it out. Nematodes are very small. They're microscopic organisms, so you won't see them. But you use the warm water to help draw them out.
From the sponge?
From the sponge. And then then you let it sit, I would say, for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then go ahead and squeeze them out. And then you're going to put them in a sprayer, fill it up with water, about a gallon full of water, and then you're going to spray all over the soil. And then once you do that, then usually within 3 to 4 weeks, your pest problems, you'll notice there will be a lot less. Also, if you're like me, when you go to plants, usually I find pest. Where with these guys will pretty much wipe out any pest. A benefit or a disadvantage, it also does it to ants. These will wipe out an ant mound pretty quickly. But remember, they require moisture and they have to be in the soil. But
very important tip, don't put them in the sun. When you buy them, try to keep them in a dark plastic bag or in the darkest spot in your car until you get home. And when you're home, leave it in your garage until you use it, or in the fridge, right?
Yes,
Has
and
to
the
be cool.
ultraviolet rays will kill them.
Yeah, so what we thought happened, and the first time it could be, is that while we grabbed the nematodes for when we were shopping, we were walking around the nursery, and while we kind of, you know, took our time looking at the trees and stuff, there was sun, and maybe we killed some of them. So let's don't do that. So what are we gonna do next?
So we're just going to put it in a bottle. We're going to spray all over the ground in different spots. If you know where there were worms in certain spots, then you want to just kind of concentrate a little bit more on that. But usually a gallon sprayer will cover pretty large area. Pretty large area, up to 300 to 500 square feet.
And right now we're going to focus on our kale bed.
Yeah, they seem to like that area. I think they were attracted to the clover, which the clover is a very important part of our growing. It actually continuously feeds them, and the clover seems to be doing better. And then we planted clover all in our other beds, and in our trees too, so we'll be spraying that area too, just in case there are some in the clover. So this type of nematodes, the Sterneinema feltiae, whatever, if you could see it, we'll put it also on the screen. This particular type is also very good to get rid of fungus gnats. So if you have fungus gnats inside your house, these will get rid of them very quickly. All you do is just spray the pots a little bit.
So you have plants indoors and you see little fungus gnats? This is a great thing.
Yeah, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to go spray a little bit in each of the pots.
So as you can see, it's very easy. Just spraying your water with your
You're spraying the dirt, not the plants.
Nematodes. Can't say. Nematodes. There.
Nematodes.
Nematodes. Nematodes? Nematodes. And then, well, as has been said, just spray it around the soil, not on the plant, because, well, the plant doesn't have the grubs, and so it's on the soil under, eating and feasting on your roots. But other than that, that's kind of it, right?
That's all. Really simple.
So
thank you for watching.